All right, guys, welcome to Iron Mustang. If this is your first time visiting the channel, I'm going to make this one super quick. I don't know if really I'm going to get any views off this or not. It's more just for anybody who might need it. I'm going to be installing this dash pad that goes across the deluxe interiors of these 67s. All you need is the actual pad itself and these little like nuts that are hollow in the back that come with some of the kits. I'll try to put the kit number on the screen when I get it, so you guys can reference it. Anyway, I'm just gonna put this in a time lapse real quick. Probably you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that you got to put in there. We're gonna just put it up, pop it into place. And reach back here and start tightening them up. One thing I do want to point out, you could probably get away with having your ashtray in and reaching up through the stereo, but you're really probably going to need the stereo and your glove box area open so you can do this. And once you got everything hand tightened, it's an 11-30 seconds to tighten it from the back with a socket. So that'll wrap up the installation of the dash pad. The only thing is I just make sure you get this thing put in before you get too far along with your dash. Otherwise, you're gonna be doing a little more cussing than probably necessary.